Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. Shoulder flexibility is the basic need for most of the yoga asanas. In this video, I am going to provide you 3 stretches for shoulders that will improve your shoulder flexibility within a month. So first you need a belt for this stretch. Hold the belt in front of you, little wide from your shoulders. Now while inhaling, move your belt back while keeping your elbow completely straight. Keep your chest completely open. Hold it here. Identify your limit and slowly take it down. Inhale, come back. Again, slowly inhale. Hold it here. Keep your elbow completely straight. Slowly exhale and down. Again, inhale, come back. Now next. Now make the hold of your belt little bit short and little bit wider from your shoulders. Now slowly inhale. Again hold it here. You can feel more stretch in your shoulders. Keep breathing normally. Do not hold your breath. Slowly exhale and go down. Again identify your limit and hold the belt where you can feel the immense stretch in your shoulders. Inhale, come back. Again, close your hold little bit more. Almost in front of your shoulders. Again, inhale. Hold it here. Now this is your limit in between your up and down. Here. Hold it here and give 5 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly exhale and down. Inhale, come back. We're going to do it again. Inhale. Elbow straight completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take it back. You should feel the stretch in your shoulders. Inhale, come back. Slowly release. For this stretch, come to Dandasana first. Keep your palms back to your body. Fingers pointing backward. Toes completely pointed and keep your body completely tight and engaged. Now slowly moving your fingers while keeping your hand completely straight. Do not take it wide like this. Okay? Keep them straight and start moving your fingers in backward like this. Wherever you feel stretch and your limit, just hold it here. Slowly come back. Again, take your hands back. Walk on your fingers. Keep your elbow completely straight. Do not bend your elbow. Toes completely pointed. Body completely engaged. And feel the stretch in your shoulders. Slowly release and come back. Now for this stretch, you need support of the wall. Come on your knees. And keep your body distant so that you can comfortably put your palms on the wall. Okay? Do not bend your elbows like this. Now slowly walk on your fingers and take your palms little up on the wall. Now keep your elbows on the wall and pushing your hips a little bit backward. You need to touch your chin on the wall. Okay. Now slowly keep your elbows and then take your shoulders. Start keeping your hand on the wall. Slowly like this. First your wrist, elbow, and then your shoulder. Alright. So keep your hands like this. Your elbow, your shoulder, and now here take your hips little bit back and try to touch your chin to the wall. Once you are able to touch your chin to the wall, you need to touch your chest to the wall. Okay? Come up, slowly release and down. Follow these 3 stretches in your routine. This will again improve your shoulder flexibility and will open up your shoulders. You can see the change within a month. Thank you for watching, friends. That's it for today's guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga for further updates. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.